Lasun is leader in lighting and electrical test instruments. Hello everyone, this is Daisy. Let me introduce to you the installation and use of the YWXQ010 salt spray test machine. The following is the video catalog. 1. Packing list. 2. Operation. 3. Maintenance. Please check the packing list when you receive the shipment. The chamber and all accessories are in one wooden box. Open the wooden box and take out the chamber and all accessories. Please note, there are valves and wiring at the bottom of the chamber. Don't damage it when moving the chamber. Lasun has a variety of different sizes of salt spray test chambers. We can also customize according to your requirements. Accessories include measuring cylinder, sodium chloride, spare nozzle, sample holder. There is also a plastic bag in the package that contains a CD, calibrate certificates, and guarantee cards. There are user manual, operation video, and related standards in the CD. Remove the wrapping film of the test chamber. Connect the power cord to the power source. The required power parameters are on the product nameplate. Here is the interface for automatically replenishing water to the saturated barrel. Not recommended. This is the fog exhausting port, which must be kept unblocked. It can be connected to the sewer or outdoors with a hose. Here is the drain valve. Keep it closed. It can be opened when you need to replace the water in the tank after the test is over. Open the salt spray chamber cover. These heaters are used to heat the water in the chamber to reach the standard test environment. This valve is used to empty the sodium chloride solution and keep it closed. Temperature sensors are used to obtain the temperature of the chamber and the temperature of the water in the chamber. Air inlet is used when the fog needs to be exhausted. The air will enter the box through the air inlet and clear the salt fog. Spray tower. Fog collector. The measuring cylinder is connected to the fog collector. Customers need to prepare air compressor. Turn on the air compressor and connect the hose here. Adjust this knob to make sure the air pressure is about 0.2 megapascals. Press this button to turn on the chamber. The touchscreen program automatically enters the self-checking. Click OK to enter the main menu. Click Monitor Screen. These three indicators here are all red at the beginning. LT water is the water in the tank. Just add clean tap water to the tank until the LT water indicator light turns green. ST water is the water in the saturated barrel. Open this valve and slowly pour pure water until the ST water indicator turns from red to yellow, and then to green. This valve must be kept closed if no need to add water to the saturated barrel. SA water is sodium chloride solution. The general concentration of sodium chloride solution required by the standard is 5%. That is 500 grams sodium chloride with 9,500 milliliter purified water. Pour the solution into the solution tank here until the SA water indicator turns green. The solution tank can be fully filled to ensure that the test can last long enough. There are two types of sample holders. The cylindrical ones are placed on the upper layer for hanging samples. The triangle ones are placed in the lower layer for direct placement of samples. Put tap water here, so that the chamber is completely sealed after the cover is closed. Then close the cover. Before starting the test, click spray here to start the spray manually. Rotate this knob to adjust the gauge on the left to 1 kg per square centimeter. Click spray again to turn off the spray. Back to the main menu. No need to set anything in user setting. Clock is used to set the alarm clock. For example, if you need to add sodium chloride solution after 10 hours, you can set a 10-hour alarm clock. Back to the main menu. Click Test Setting. Different standards need to be tested at different temperatures and using different solutions. For the NSS standard test, you need to set the chamber temperature to 35 degrees Celsius and the saturated barrel temperature to 47 degrees Celsius. Set the total test time. Spray time. Pause spray time. If you need to spray all the time, set the pause time to 0. You can also set all parameters freely in the custom interface. If you need to use different temperatures during one test, click Program. Set different temperatures and test times. And set the circulation mode and cycles. Click Start to start the test. The heaters in the saturated barrel and chamber start to work. The spray will automatically start after both the chamber temperature and the saturated barrel temperature reach the set temperature. If the SA water indicator turns red, you can directly add sodium chloride solution in the solution tank during the test. The ST water indicator will turns yellow first. It is okay and it still can test very long time. You need to add pure water when it turns red. Click pause and then add pure water to the saturated barrel according to step 2.1. Then click here again to continue the test. The two buttons here do not need to be used. After the test is over, click defog to clear the fog in the chamber. The water in the chamber may be dirty after the test. So you need to open this valve to empty the chamber and put clean water in the chamber. The water in the saturated barrel needs to be replaced after about half a month testing. Open this valve to empty the water. Close the valve. Then put pure water in the saturated barrel according to step 2.1 again. The solution tank may get dirty after long time test. Open this valve to empty the solution. Close the valve. Then put new solution in the tank. Thanks for watching.